Let's build our own MCP server in 1 minute. So you just need to install these SDKs. These SDKs are available for any language, but we are building for TypeScript now. You have to spawn your MCP server. Once it is running, you have to register your tools. We have created two tools. One is generate alert, and second is get forecast. So this get alerts tool is basically a function that runs certain logic. So inside this function, what's happening, we are hitting a API call with the state call, and when it gives us some information, we return this information. Similarly, for get forecast also, we are hitting the API with the latitude, longitude, and once the response is coming from API, we are returning that. Now we just had to the npm run build, and once the npm run build was done, the MCP was ready, and then we connected our winds of IDE with the MCP. Now you can see the same two tools here. We can also like switch on or off which tool we want, and once it was integrated, you can see I asked this question, get forecast for this and this. So it basically tried to connect, and once it was connected, then it told that whether forecast for this was all done by MCP. But it did not respond to us in JSON. It responded to us with a proper English format, which is natural language. And now you can see in readme what happens. The winds of ID, which is a MCP client, connects to MCP server, which is our server. And whenever it wants to connect to MCP server, it spawns the process via node index.js, or it depends on your file, on your coding language. And once this connection is done, MCP server does the computation logic, which is HTTP request in our case, but it could be anything. And once that computation is done, MCP server replies, and this communication happens via JSON RPC 2.0 protocol, via standard input and output streaming. So yeah, this is how we can build our own MCP server.